In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to intersect shapes in Adobe Illustrator so you can create clean, precise custom designs in just a few clicks. If you've ever wanted to combine overlapping shapes and keep only the area where they overlap, this is the technique you need to know. It's fast, powerful, and essential for logo design, icons, and all kinds of vector artwork. Make sure to stick around to the end so you don't miss any important tips. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and tricks. All right, let's get started. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document, or open an existing file where you want to work. To use the Intersect function, you'll need at least two shapes that overlap each other. So go ahead and select the Shape tool from your toolbar. For example, you can choose the Rectangle tool or the Ellipse tool. Click and drag on your artboard to create your first shape. Then create a second shape and position it so that it overlaps the first one. The key here is that the shapes must overlap because Illustrator will only keep the area where they intersect. Now that you have two or more overlapping shapes, select them. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over both shapes, or by holding down the Shift key and clicking each shape individually. Make sure all the shapes you want to intersect are selected at the same time. If even one shape is left unselected, it won't be included in the final result. With your shape selected, go to the top menu and click on Window. From the drop-down menu, choose Pathfinder. This will open the Pathfinder panel, which contains several powerful shape modes that allow you to combine, subtract, divide, and intersect objects. If you use Illustrator frequently, you might want to keep this panel docked in your workspace because it's incredibly useful. Inside the Pathfinder panel, look at the top row of icons under Shape Modes. You'll see options like Unite, Minus Front, Intersect, and Exclude. To intersect your shapes, click on the Intersect button. It looks like two overlapping circles, with only the middle overlapping area highlighted. As soon as you click it, Illustrator will remove everything except the area where the selected shapes overlap. And that's it. You've successfully intersected shapes in Adobe Illustrator. The result is now a single vector shape representing only the overlapping portion. You can move it, resize it, recolor it, add strokes, gradients, or apply any other effects just like you would with any normal vector object. Here's a quick tip. If you want more flexibility before permanently combining shapes, you can use the Shape Builder tool as an alternative. But for quick, precise intersections, the Pathfinder Intersect option is usually the fastest method. Intersecting shapes is extremely useful for creating custom logos, badges, geometric designs, and layered illustrations. Once you understand how this works, you can experiment with multiple overlapping shapes to create more complex designs in seconds. That's how you intersect shapes in Adobe Illustrator. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Illustrator tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.